Teams must hail a taxi and make their way into the capital city of Kampala, where more than 4 million people commute every day. They'll find their next clue at the Uganda National Mosque.
Hey you guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and I am in Kampala, Uganda. This is actually my first time. In Uganda, and I've actually linked with this awesome YouTuber from Uganda. What's Nabs Sarah? So I'm actually coming here because it's called what mosque? Yeah, I'm actually coming here because I love Amazing Race. Sorry? Okay, cool. And the reason why I'm actually coming here is because the Amazing Race contestants came here, and I'm actually a friend with one of the contestants. I told her, Becca, I have to come and experience what you guys experienced here. So I hope you guys are actually going to enjoy it, and let's just go learn so much about this place. So
fly to the Pearl of Africa, Uganda.
Becca and Floyd will be the first to leave Dubai, known as the City of Gold, then travel more than 2,000 miles to Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. After touching down, teams must hail a taxi and make their way into the capital city of Kampala, where more than 4 million people commute every day. They'll find their next clue at the Uganda National Mosque.
Here we go.
hi.
You pay 15,000 shillings.
Hi.
The increase the last 2016. So you increase it.
15 for foreigners?
Yeah, Ugandans.
He's a foreigner.
So 15 for foreigners, 10 for Ugandans.
How much is 15? Like, okay, wait. Let me see. Oh, 15,123. Ah, that's fair. Can just hold this camera for me? Check for it quickly. So total is how much? Mine and hers?
25. If I could zoom out, zoom in, and they see Ugandan money. Okay, yeah, they're seeing.
This is okay?
Yes.
Yeah, this is 25.
So you write here your name and the country.
Yeah.
And
Where is that? I saw you here.
write your name.
From Kenya. Where to go?
Kenya and Uganda.
Stroke Uganda.
Kenya and Uganda.
It's all.
Okay. So you're going to get a scarf from her. Yes,
Oh. Looks big, but it's okay. Can I actually still put on my cake?
Yeah, I think so.
I can give you this one if you want. Which one? Need it? Yeah, I'll actually turn that. What's that?
Hurry up because you need to hear what we are.
Yeah. So guys, I've actually been dressed up. If you come here, you have to be dressed up there. I'm like this. I look like I'm Muslim, but I don't say so loudly. So we actually have a guide here. He's actually going to guide us in everything. And just tell me what you think of this outfit. You know, like I said, I am coming here because the amazing race contestants came here. You know, so let's just hope everything is going to be fine. Let's just hope I'm actually going to enjoy myself.
Last time I told you
And,
when comes here, he's dressed. So Vincent has been
Yeah.
dressed. Okay.
And then we get to the top.
So we have to remove our shoes. That's a rule. It's a must. So yeah.
Then here. So cute.
So we are starting our tour of the mosque, which shall start from inside the mosque, and after we shall get to the top of the minaret. When you get inside, you're free to move around, not limited to any corner. You're free to take photos as many as you can. We'll be giving you information about the mosque. Then at the top, we shall have a chance of having a great view of Kampala city and having a look at the 7 hills originally that started the formation of the city.
That's awesome.
All right.
What's your name again?
Khalid.
Khalid. Wow. Looks big. You know, this is actually the first mosque I'm getting into.
Really?
I've never been to a mosque. It's really quiet.
It's supposed to be.
This is echoing.
It's supposed to be quiet.
First move around, enjoy the interior view, take some photos, then I'm joining you to give you the information.
Okay.
Man, this place looks amazing. It's big and finally my dreams are coming true. Coming here for the first time, coming to Uganda for the first time, and I can actually hear my voice echoing. This is the Quran, even though I don't know how to read Quran. Awesome. That's it. How many times have you been here?
I came here just once.
India, Ugandan.
Yeah.
You should be proud of your country. You should be visiting here. You should be visiting here, like, let me say, each and every year.
No, actually came here in July, I think, to film. That's when I decided I want to do tour, like I want to tour around my own country. You see, many people have actually not come, so I have a plus that I've come and checked out this place.
So if what's your YouTube name again?
Name's Ara.
So
Yeah, we're going to the mineral. From the bottom to the top, there are 304 steps from down to the top. So those are the steps we are going to take.
yeah.
And then from the bottom, it's 304. So you'll tell me from here.
I actually feel like an amazing race contestant.
Really?
Yeah. So guys, like I said, I'm coming here because amazing race is here. So we're actually going up. And Becca, if you're actually watching this video, you know how I told you that I have to be here, and I'm here. You challenged me and you told me like it was going to be an awesome thing, and I'm already tired. So let's get up. We are not even halfway to that.
The excitement of climbing this stairs, it's all for me. I don't know, like every time I see them, I feel like, yeah, we're climbing the stairs again, and I'm ready for it. The last time, by the time I reached at the top, I was panting. I hope I'll be much better today.
Kampala, Uganda. So guys, we are already at the top. Actually, we've been climbing this for the past 5 minutes. I'm literally tired. Like the basically the contestants are like, so we climb here very faster. Then this is the first time I'm here. And they will come. Get someone sit. Oh my god.
See, I told you the view would blow your mind. I wish there was like a restaurant here. I would eat here every day.
The view. You know, I always have problem with the heights. But I feel I'm pretty much okay. So we can go around like this.
Yeah.
Man, these amazing, these spectaculars, these, what are the words?
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Flabbergasting. These are
God.
just words I'm actually making to describe
How you're feeling.
amazing this place is. You should come here. Thank you so much, Amazingness. Thank you
bringing
so
you
much.
here.
You've made me come to Uganda for the first time, and I'm actually feeling all right. But I think Nairobi is
Maybe. I don't know.
yeah, that's good. So you wanted to show us the hills?
7 hills of the city. So the city that you're viewing is Kampala.
Yeah.
And originally the formation of the city Kampala started its formation on 7 hills. But nowadays Kampala is seated on over 21 hills.
Yeah.
That is after the expansion. But our main interest is looking at the original 7. And among the 7, we shall start with this hill where the mosque is seated.
So this is basically a hill that you are in.
This is all the Kampala hill.
Oh, so
Its name, all the Kampala hill.
okay.
And before it being called all the Kampala, it had
Mango.
yes.
Okay.
Is occupied by the Anglican Cathedral, the oldest cathedral in the whole of East Africa.
Okay.
It was established in 1890, and that building, the current building that you see, which looks like St. Paul's Cathedral in London, combined the original St. Paul's Cathedral in London. So this is the duplicate. This is St. Paul's Cathedral in Uganda.
Okay.
So this one was modified and constructed in 1915.
It was constructed in 1915.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the headquarters of all Anglicans. But it is
Okay.
this hill, which is covered with a lot of green trees,
Yeah.
that is called the Makerere Hill,
Okay.
and is occupied by the university, which is the oldest university in the whole of East Africa. It was established in 1922, immediately after World War I. And that university is among the best 5 universities.
The only street is getting down. That's the only. So guys, we are actually from the top. We are going down. The thing, or like the tour guide has actually told us that's the end on top there. So what exactly we want to do? Just going down. The only stress I've been having is climbing these stairs. You know, I think you're going to take 1 hour going down.
No.
But how are you feeling?
I'm okay. Coming up is harder than going.
Yeah, it's like in Kiswahili we say teremko. Slowing down. Yeah. Yep. So guys, I think we're done. I'm just trying to look where I can get good light, because you know say slowly. Say slowly. I'm actually chocolate. That sounds awesome. I'm chocolate.
Instead of saying that.
So we're actually done, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And just look how amazing Uganda looks like. Just bam.
From here.
There is the sun. I hope now you guys can
Did
see
you
me.
show
well.
them that?
Yeah, I did. So just look how amazing this place looks like. And I hope you've actually enjoyed the video. And please subscribe to her YouTube channel. The link is just down at the description. And
Come to Uganda.
absolutely come to Uganda. You guys tell me where next you want to see me. And the reason why I hooked up with her was because Wodemaya was in Uganda, and Wodemaya did some videos there, and I was like, this chick looks pretty much awesome. And let me hook up with her, and
we bring you content.
absolutely. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time guys, see y'all.